Welcome to Jiva Yoga Live. My name is Orna and today we'll be doing a Yoga Sculpt core class. Now come and stand at the top of your mat. Feet hip width apart. Take a big inhale, draw your hands all the way up to the sky, reaching all the way up, and let your gaze look up. Exhale, forward fold. Drop your fingertips down to your mat, letting the crown of your head fall down. Inhale, halfway lift, letting the crown of your head come towards the front of the room, bringing your hands to your shins. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, rise all the way up, reaching your fingers all the way to the sky. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, forward fold. Take your left foot and step all the way back, followed by your right foot coming into a high plank. Lower yourself down to low plank. Upward facing dog, letting the crown of your head reach up to the sky. Exhale, downward facing dog. Shifting those hips all the way towards the front of the room. Coming onto the balls of your footing, letting your heels fall down towards the ground. And just take a moment to walk your dog, bending those knees, shifting your hips left to right, and lengthening those hamstrings. Step or jump forward to the front of your mat. Take a big inhale and rise all the way back up to standing. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, rise all the way up to standing, reaching your hands to the sky. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, forward fold. Now taking your right foot, step it all the way towards the back of your mat, planting your hands down, followed by your left foot. Come into your high plank. Really gripping the mat with your fingertips, keeping your shoulders over your wrists. Exhale, lower down to low plank. Upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. And just to take a moment in your down dog to walk out those legs. Take your right foot, take a big inhale, step it between your hands, drop your left foot down at a 90-degree angle, keeping a bend in your front knee, and reach all the way up to Warrior One. Exhale, open up to Warrior Two. Reaching those hands towards the front and the back of the room, and letting your gaze follow your fingertips on your right hand. On your inhale, turn the palm of your hand around. Exhale, reach those right fingertips all the way up to the sky and drop your left hand down your left leg. Inhale, come back to Warrior Two. Exhale, drop your elbow down onto your front knee and reach those left fingertips all the way up to the sky for extended side plank. Then cartwheel your hands back down to frame your foot. Turn onto the toes of your left foot and come into your high plank. High plank to low plank. Upward facing dog. Downward facing dog. Stepping forward with your left foot, bring it between your hands. Drop your right toes down at a 90-degree angle. Inhale and reach all the way up to Warrior One. Exhale, open up to Warrior Two, reaching those fingertips for the front and the back of the room and letting your toes of your right foot reach towards the right side of your mat. Inhale, turn the palm of your hand up towards the sky, and on your exhale, reach those fingertips all the way up, dropping your right hand down your right leg. Inhale, warrior two. On your exhale, come into extended side angle, dropping your left elbow onto your left knee and reaching those right fingertips all the way up to the sky. Then cartwheel your hands all the way back down, reaching that left foot all the way back to your mat, coming into your high plank. High plank to low plank, upward facing dog, tucking your toes and pushing your hips up, downward facing dog. From your downward facing dog, bring your left hand into the middle of your mat. Come onto the side of your left foot and let your right foot sit on your left foot and come in to your side plank pose. A variation of this, if you want to drop your left knee down into the middle of your mat with your foot out to the side, then this is perfect. Take a couple of breaths in your side plank and hold for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Amazing. Now let's swap sides. Dropping your right hand down into the middle and coming onto the side of your feet or dropping your knee down into the middle of your mat. Hold yourself in your pose for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Incredible. Drop your hands back down and come into downward facing dog. Coming into a dolphin plank pose, drop your forearms down onto your mat, lengthen out your legs so you're dropping your hips further down towards your mat and you're staying on your toes. And just hold this plank for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And walk your feet in so as if you're coming into your downward facing dog. So we're going to do some crunches in this pose. So your gaze right now is looking between your toes, but you're going to move your torso forward using your shoulders so your gaze is looking between your hands, and then you're going to come all the way back. So we're going to try 10 of these whenever you're ready. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And then come all the way back into your downward facing dog and just allow yourself to catch your breath. Now from your downward facing dog, come and sit down on your mat. Allow yourself enough space that your forearms can come down, your hands out by your side, lengthen your legs out into the air and hold them up. And we're going to do some scissors kicks. So whenever you're ready, kick one leg down and lift the other one back up and then swap for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Amazing. Drop your feet down and take a breath. And then come and lie down onto your mat, giving yourself a bit more space. Dropping your torso down. Then bring your knees up above your hips with your feet sticking out towards the top of the room. Bring your hands to your ears and we're going to do some bicycle crunches. So how we're going to do these crunches is we're going to lightly draw our right knee in towards our left elbow, lifting our torso and twisting our torso slightly and dropping back down. Then bringing your left knee in towards your right elbow and then dropping all the way down. So we'll try these for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Amazing. Drop your body all the way back down. Lengthen your legs out towards either side of your mat. Bring your hands down by your side, palms facing up. And close your eyes. We're going to take a moment in our Shavasana pose just to bring our heart rate down. Get a little rest before you get up and finish the rest of your day. Keeping your mind clear while you're in your pose so you're getting the maximum amount of rest. If you notice your thoughts start to wander, just notice them, pick them out, and know that you'll come back to them later. Start to wiggle your fingers and your toes. Bring some movement back into your limbs. Keeping your eyes closed. Roll onto one side and lift up into a comfortable seated position. Bringing your hands to prayer at heart center. Just take a moment to acknowledge the time that you gave yourself today to come to your mat and practice, working your body and resting your mind. Thank you for joining me. I look forward to seeing you again in the future. For more yoga content like this, subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell, like the video, or leave a comment.